So in this problem, we're told that in the triangle ABC, the measure of angle B is 90 degrees. BC is going to be equal to 16 and AC is going to be equal to 20. Triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC, where vertices D, E, and F correspond to the vertices A, B, and C respectively. And each side of the triangle DEF is 1/3 the length of the corresponding side of the triangle. And then they're asking us what the sine of F is. So sine of F is equal to question mark because we don't know what it is. Then let's look at what they're telling us to do and like try and draw what it is. So we have a triangle ABC, and then we're also told that the measure of angle B is 90 degrees. So we have like a right hand triangle, right, where one of the sides is 90 degrees. So we're going to do like this. This is going to be 90 degrees. I can represent that by this sign right here. And so this is going to be A, B, C, right? Because these are just all the sides. Angle B is 90 degrees, so it lines up. And then they give us the length of the side. So BC, this side right here, is going to be 16. And then AC, the line that connects these two, are going to be 20. So what we have here is another triangle DEF, which is similar. And so, but it's 1/3 the length. So this isn't going to be to scale, but I'll just draw another triangle. It's going to be the same angles and stuff, or except for the lengths change, right? So it's going to be D corresponds to A, E corresponds to B, and F corresponds to C. So D, E, F. And so this is going to be our triangle. And what we want to do is find sine F. So we're going to have to find out the lengths of this side of this triangle. But before we do that, we need to find the lengths of this triangle because we know that they correspond. So if this is 20, this is 16, what is this angle going to be? And you can solve this using the Pythagorean theorem, or you can just recognize that this is going to be a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Because if we divide this by 4, 20 divided by 4 is 5. And then 16 divided by 4 is 4. So this side is going to be 3. It's going to be a 3, right? But we got to multiply it by the number we divided by, which is 4. So this is going to be 12. So if that's 12, this is 20, this is 16, this is 12. And you can check that using the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Or you could just do it by recognizing it's a 3, 4, 5. And so now what we want to do is fill in this triangle. And we know it's 1/3 the length of the corresponding sides. So these are just going to correspond to this one, except for it's going to be 1/3. So this one's 20, so it's 1/3, so 20 over 3. This one's 16, so it's going to be 16 over 3. And then this one's 12, and 12 divided by 3 is just going to be 4. So we've got this triangle. Now we can actually solve. So what is the value of the sine of F? So recall what sine is. This is some trig, so SOHCAHTOA. So sine is going to be equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So the sine of this angle is going to be equal to the opposite side, 4 in this case, right? So 4 divided by the hypotenuse. And so the hypotenuse is just the longest side, right? So this side right here. So 20 over 3. So it's going to be 4 divided by 20 over 3. So that's going to be what we want to do is simplify it, right? So 4, and then we can copy dot flip, right? So move this up. It's going to be 4 over 1 times 3 over 20. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 20 is 20. So it's going to be equal to 12 over 20, but we can simplify it. If we divide by 4, this is going to be 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then if we divide 20 by 4, we're going to get 5. So it's going to equal 3 over 5. So the sine of F is going to be equal to 3 over 5. That's how you solve this problem.